Protein is an essential component of all cells in your body. It is utilized to construct and repair tissues as well as to produce enzymes and hormones. Protein is required for the growth of bones, muscles, skin, and blood and serves as a source of energy. Protein transports hemoglobin, which delivers oxygen to all parts of the body. Protein is essential nutrient. If you are consuming enough protein daily, it can build muscles, help maintain a healthy weight, prevent overeating, strengthen bones and lower your blood pressure. So, add these protein-rich veggies to your diet and make yourself delicious yet nutritious meal to stay healthy. In this video, let's check out 7 protein-rich vegetables. I'm Bhavna and you're watching UPSCALE Health. First one is broccoli. Broccoli is high in protein, low in fat and low in calories. It's an excellent source of vitamins, minerals and antioxidants, all supporting good health. Folate, potassium, phosphorus and vitamin K and C are all found in broccoli. Second high protein vegetable is peas. Peas are rich source of vegetable protein and fiber. In fact, these little treats have less fat and cholesterol. Peas are also rich in manganese, copper, phosphorus, folate, zinc and iron. They also include phytonutrients like cholesterol, which can help prevent stomach cancer. Third high protein vegetable is cauliflower. Has high protein content. This adaptable vegetable may be used in several cuisines. Cauliflower contains sinigrin. In addition to potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, vitamin C and K and iron. This sinigrin may have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory effect. Next is sweet corn. You might be surprised, but sweet corn is also a vegetable. Sweet corn is low in fat and high in protein, meeting roughly 9% of protein you need every day. Corn also contains thiamine, vitamin C and B6. Next on the list are Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts combine fiber and protein with a variety of vitamins and minerals to keep you full and fed. Not to mention the health advantages, which ranges from brain sharpness to cancer prevention, blood pressure retention. Spinach stands on 6th place. Spinach is thought to be one of the richest in nutrient leafy green vegetables. It is claimed to contribute 30% of its calories. Spinach is second richest source of protein in vegetables.
Last one for today is kale. Kale is another excellent plant-based protein source. It also includes phenolic chemicals, which provide an antioxidant benefits. Kale contains omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids as well as vitamin K, C, A and B6, calcium, potassium, manganese and magnesium. It also includes lectin and zeaxanthin, which have been linked to lower risk of cataracts and molecular degeneration respectively. So replace eggs easily by eating these 7 high protein vegetables on daily basis. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and thanks for watching.